Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Secure Folder and authenticating with your PIN, pattern, or biometric. Once done, tap the plus Add Apps button or open the three-dot menu and choose Add Apps. This begins the actual transfer. Make sure you understand the difference between adding a shortcut and installing a copy. Shortcuts reference the main app, while copies live inside Secure Folder and incur extra storage. Now locate the app list and prepare to select which apps you want secured. With the list visible, select one or more apps and press Add. You can use the search box to speed selection. If you pick Install Copy, the system creates an isolated instance with separate data. If you pick Add Shortcut, the app points to the main install but stays hidden behind Secure Folder. After apps appear inside, open each once and accept any permission prompts. Secure Folder isolates storage and often requires explicit permission grants so apps function correctly. To remove an app, long press its icon and choose Remove from Secure Folder or Uninstall if you want it gone entirely. Make sure to back up any important local data first, because uninstalling a copied app deletes its Secure Folder storage. If an app refuses to add, check Available Storage, confirm Secure Folder has necessary permissions, and update the Secure Folder service from System Settings. If problems persist, restart the device and try adding the app again, as a simple reset often resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.